Hakasi balang jong kata yau namar ka jing thut jong ka sun beneng ka helikopter ka Shong da Myntri Rangbah ka jala u Conrad ke Sangma kala hap Hiar Kyrkieh no ha Umiam Riboy district. Myntri Rangbah ka jala ula Shong da ka helikopter na tura banwan sya kanang ba Shong. Hanrei habakaladan ka jing snia jong ka sun beneng bat ban kiar na kanu jing ja ka sosi. Kumta ki pilot ki banyak ya ka helikopter ka Shong ilhak ban Hiar Kyrkieh no ha ka Madan jong ka UCC ka badan ha Umiam. Ka office jong Myntri Rangbah kala pentip ba Myntri Rangbah ula Shong da ka helikopter jong ka Aryan Aviation Private Limited Company. Haba Conrad la Hiar ha kani jaka i traisnong kila terwa bam. Bat hadian kani ula mi no na kani jaka da ka kali ban let pat sya no ba Shong.
So we were supposed to land in Upper Shillong in ALG, but the weather was bad, as you can see, and so here we are. We landed in UCC now, and of course there's nobody. This is a surprise visit one way, and now we're going to walk from here to the main road, and hopefully we'll get a taxi from there, and we'll go back home because our Kyrkieh will take at least an hour to reach here. So we diverted for safety reasons, and it's good. I think that's the most important part. But now we are stuck here. Well, we'll figure out how to get back to the city. Yeah, so we are just walking, taking a nice stroll.
We are walking slowly, sir. Towards college, towards youth college.
Oh, look at this man. Huh? I'm from Garo Hills. I had gone yesterday. So, short story is, my chopper got diverted here. We're supposed to land in Shillong, ALG, Upper Shillong, but weather is bad. So you can see now also, so it was very cloudy. Chopper couldn't land in ALG. So they were going to divert and go to Guwahati. So I said, good, Guwahati means I'll lose the whole evening. So I told them, can we land somewhere here?